Mir massive strikes into Pakistan, but Pakistan is also talking about a process where it will hit back. What's the latest situation on ground?
Well, Gaurav, obviously a lot of tension. 2-3 things I can confirm to you straight away is that the Srinagar Civil Airport, civil traffic has been shut at Srinagar Airport, and right now I'm in Pampur. Now, as we have been reporting since morning, early morning, that there's a fighter jet that has crashed in this particular location. The remains of this jet are scattered in a large area. Air Force Garud commandos and everyone has come to the location. The periphery has been completely sealed. But just to give you an idea of where it has happened, I'll ask Tariq. This is the tree. In fact, the chinar tree has taken the brunt of this particular crash, because otherwise it's a civilian built up area and there could have been casualties. Right now we won't speculate whose plane is this. Obviously defense officials will come up with clarity on the same, but we've been told that at least 3 such incidents have happened across Jammu and Kashmir at 3 locations, and all 3 locations being secured by the Air Force and